Hi there friends, Namaste, this is Deepak Kshatriya and I welcome you all to another new session. In this session I'm going to show you a corn fried rice recipe. Believe me, it's going to be very easy and the kids will literally love this. It's pretty sure that it's going to be completely empty. So for the kids and children out there, this recipe is for you guys. So without much wait, let's see how this beautiful recipe is done. Look here, to make this corn fried rice, I have kept a pot and add the water and allow it to boil. You can see the water is boiling. In this, I will add the sweet corn, nearly at 2 tablespoons, and the 2 tablespoons of fresh peas, and will boil this for about 2 minutes. And now look, it's been nearly 2 to 2.5 minutes. And it is boiled. Let's take them out. And look here, I kept a wok to it and you can see the wok is literally smoking. At this point I will add nearly 2 tablespoons of oil. You can see the oil is smoking. In this I will add nearly 4 to 5 cashew and 1 medium-sized finely chopped onions, a tablespoon of fresh beans, 2 crushed red chilies, yellow capsicum, green capsicum, and the boiled corn and the peas. And we need to saute them and saute these on a high flame. Remember, you should always saute this on a high flame. Remember one more thing, you should never fully cook the vegetables. It should have some crunch. Then only the fried rice will taste extraordinary. Look, this is perfect. In this I will add cooked rice. In this I will add half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of white pepper powder and salt as per taste. On a high flame, mix this. Look how colorful this looks, and believe me, it tastes so much yummy also. And you need to saute this on a high flame for about 1.5 to 2 minutes until the rice gets the smoky flavor from the wok. And in this I will add just a few chopped coriander leaves and give it a final toss. And here you go, the restaurant style corn veg fried rice is now ready to taste. Look how beautiful and how colorful this looks. If you give this to your children now, you don't know where this recipe will vanish. It will be that beautiful. Do you see, this recipe is this easy to make. So I hope you guys like this video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon, touch the notifications to all. And also don't forget to like our Instagram and Facebook pages. So we'll be back with another such a recipe. Till then, Deepak Kshatriya signing off and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.